Hey everyone, how's it going? Kenji here. I'm on the boat. My toddler's watching a train video downstairs and he asked me for some watermelon. And I'd been remembering that I wanted to make this, this Greek watermelon and feta salad. So I thought I'd do it. Very simple. Got some feta. Got a watermelon here. Nice heavy one. This should be good. Ooh, look at that guy. That's a good looking watermelon, huh? Alright, so the idea is we want to let's cut off some of this peel, this rind. You could, save that rind and like pickle it. People like to pickle watermelon rind, especially the white parts of the rind. It's really nice pickled, but I usually don't bother because, I've done it in the past and usually I just end up thinking to myself, oh, how many ways can I use up pickled watermelon rind? And the answer is, unless you have like a restaurant with a cool bar menu, probably not that many ways to use up pickled watermelon rind. I'm gonna cut like, say, a block out like this. Alright, and then let's just kind of square them up a little bit. Alright, and then let's do a little layering job. Watermelon, feta cheese, just a second, Wombat, it's almost ready. What's up, bud? Yeah, give me a second. Alright, we got our watermelon, we got our cheese. Maybe we'll do one little slice of this watermelon, huh? Do a second layer, like a lasagna. Alrighty. Ooh, that is good watermelon. And I didn't have mint, but then my friend brought me this like bouquet of flowers and herbs from their garden, including some mint. How serendipitous. So just a few little mint leaves. Tear them by hand. I love this salad. So, the reason this works so well is because the watermelon, the sweetness of the watermelon and that sort of intense saltiness and especially the acidity of the feta just work really nicely together to kind of balance each other. So as long as you sort of keep those elements in place, the sweetness, the acidity, that balance, you don't add any acid to this, like don't add any lemon juice or vinegar, don't add any sweetness. Oh, hold on one second. So as I was saying, as long as you keep that sort of balance, you don't add any ingredients that are going to really throw off the acidity or the sort of saltiness here, you're going to be good. So that's really all you need. I do a little bit of olive oil at the end, just a little bit of richness and bitterness. Drizzle on. But if you want to, if you didn't want to do mint, you could do something like basil. That's not going to mess it up at all. You could do like lemon balm. What you can do is you can take a lemon like this if you want and zest it. So again, I wouldn't do the juice from the lemon, but the zest gives you that lemon aroma without altering sort of the acidity profile or the sweetness of the dish at all. That's one of the nice things about zesting citrus. Flavor without altering acidity. All right, if you really wanted to get fancy, you could add maybe a little flaky salt or something like that on top of here, but that's about it. I'm gonna go take this down to the kiddo, and yeah, guys, gals, non-binary pals, I'll see you next time. Wait a minute, hold on. I gotta do this, right? Okay, hold on. All right, let's get a little bit of everything. If I can. Delicious. All right, guys, gals, non-binary pals, see you later. Bye.